Three guesses what our episode of NCIX Tech Tips is about today. All wrong. Today we're going to be talking about the Tablo. So basically this is a new sort of tablet-style converter device. So we'll talk about how it works, and we'll show a couple demonstrations of how the Tablo can turn your ordinary notebook PC, you can see we just have some notebook here, into a tablet-style writing device. So traditionally, in order to make notes or write on the screen of your computer, you would need a tablet PC, something with a touch screen interface to start with. Now the Tablo comes just with a little USB dongle, if I could get the cameraman to have a look down here. So you plug the little USB dongle into the jack on your laptop, then it goes up to a little infrared device that will clip just with a little magnet. You can see I can quite easily remove it for storage and then put it on when I want to use the Tablo. And then you go through a little wizard. You configure the Tablo by pressing on all four corners of your screen so that it has a good idea of where you are touching. And really, we were all really impressed by this at the office. Basically, you play around with it a little bit and you realize, wow, this thing's really accurate. So the next thing we're going to do is show a little demo of how the Tablo can be fun. So we're going to have some fun with the Tablo. We've got this guy behind me. It's a clone display of the laptop that's in front of me. So basically we're going to use the Tablo to have a little bit of fun with it. So first thing, let's say this guy needs a scar on his cheek. So we're just going to draw one in there, real nice. Okay, then I think he needs a big pair of glasses. So there's some glasses. As you can see, the art's going to be limited to what you are capable of drawing, but we were very impressed by the accuracy of the pointer. Let's get some red eyes going on here. And then let's put like some horns. Another thing you can actually use the Tablo for while I'm playing around with this, you've got some boogers hanging out here, is the you can actually use it, you can use the pen attachments to write on a piece of paper, and you can configure the Tablo to automatically put that data onto a document on your computer. So that way, say you're in a meeting, you can write with the Tablo, and you can distribute a digital copy of what was talked about to everyone else who was at the meeting. So that's another really cool thing. Anyway, the Tablo, the most impressive thing about it by far is how inexpensive it is. It's only around $100, and it can turn any laptop or display device or even piece of paper into a digital recording device. So we thought it was worth mentioning, and there's the picture of me. So something to be aware of is that the Tablo is compatible with all of the touchscreen interface stuff that is included with Windows Vista and the upcoming Windows 7. So that means that all the stuff that I don't know how to use because I've never really had a tablet PC. So you're going to have the handwriting recognition, the gestures are all supported with the Tablo. Also, there's a couple buttons right here, which are your right and left click, so I can right click, personalize. It actually works from quite a distance out away from the screen. You can see I'm holding it really far out and just kind of navigating. I'm going to change my screen resolution. So it's a really cool device. Now the first thing that we all said when we saw this device was, well, any laptop that's not designed to be a tablet PC is probably going to get all scratched up if you use it. Now Tablo has specifically designed these tips so that they won't scratch your screen, and what we've observed so far with this notebook is, despite a couple guys around the office playing with it quite a lot, is it hasn't left any scratch marks. So that's another really cool thing about this device.